I would love to talk about this because I feel like when I talk about collagen and colostrum, I don't talk enough about what it's doing with the cellular health and recovery. One of the main reasons I was interested in doing a collagen and colostrum is I kept trying different brands and they had different artificial flavoring, they had sweeteners. And I understood that when you use collagen and colostrum, you really want to use it to support the cellular health of the body. One thing I don't talk about enough is that when you have a very good collagen and colostrum, you actually have less bloating. You have less constipation because the muscles and the gut are working appropriately. Your gut has a mucosal layer. For that layer to function appropriately, you first have to make sure you've detoxed. And we talk about this all the time because of clean slate and clean spirits. You want to detox those pathways so the other mucosal pathways and the gut pathways and the microbiome pathways are working. Collagen and colostrum can help you not just support that, but also get rid of things that aren't there. A lot of times I don't talk about the immune system and immune cells when I talk about Give Me Back My Youth. But here's the thing, your antibodies in the body they need collagen and colostrum. Your immune cells need collagen and colostrum. What does that mean? Your antibodies are what the immune system uses to fight infection. For your gut and your immune system to heal, you need collagen and colostrum. For the cells to talk in a more productive way, you need collagen and colostrum. So your gut wall, your gut mucosal barrier, in order for that to function, the body really needs a healthy dose of collagen and colostrum. However, a lot of the products out there are using different types of sugar, are different types of additives, which only hurt the mucosal wall. So for me, it was really important to do this in a pure way. And I had lots of friends reach out to me and say, can you please add a sweetener? Can you please make it taste better? My answer was no, because I'm targeting the gut wall and the immune system of the cells. And I just have to speak to you guys honestly and candidly. The predominant role of this company is to help people have their best life and have their best health. And that involves even me. Each of us are so equally important, but from a scientific perspective, if we're not giving the body the tools it needs to work, the cells don't communicate. So when I talk about Give Me Back My Youth, I should start with cellular health and immune system health. It's not just going to the skin, hair, and nails. And yes, that's important. It's not just going to the bones and the ligaments, which are very important, or the muscles. Why is that important? Your heart's a muscle, right? Your liver, your kidneys, your pancreas, your brain, they all need collagen and colostrum, but they need a pure form. And for me, it was even important to put the cows and put anything I was doing, anything I was taking through a cruelty-free program, because I don't want to harm animals or harm the land, air, and water when I'm doing something. Instead, I want to source it from the purest ingredients, clean it, then reclean it, then reclean it, and do 3 tests for heavy metals. So you know you're getting really the best collagen and colostrum you have. But I want you guys to start understanding it's not just the skin and the hair, and I have very thick hair, or the nails, right? It's also the whole immune system. Some of you guys know I went through a messed up surgery. It was an accident by the surgeon, but I had my whole gut, my whole colon, my stomach, everything was impacted. Give Me Back My Youth is an important factor that can really help people in those areas. And you're using peptides and you're basically cleaning them so you don't have to worry about the milk product or byproduct, because milk is not necessarily good for you, but peptides are. I want to add something here. If it were up to me, all of you guys would be on Give Me Back My Youth, starting with Clean Slate, going to the Trinity, taking Give Me Back My Youth, but also adding Crush as a peptide. Why? Because if you can put the peptides and collagen and colostrum together, you're getting less bloating. You're getting less constipation. You're fortifying the natural gut mucosal layer. And this is helping your whole body. You guys know the goal is to reverse aging or to support the body so it's aging slower because we want our cells to be healthier. We want to clean them out and then support them. To do that, we have to have the immune system work effectively. Give Me Back My Youth was targeted when I made it to make sure that we were also sending in warriors to help with the immune system to produce healthy antibodies so you can fight viruses and bacteria and parasites and fungus. And everyone knows this is a concern I've had from the very beginning. When a pandemic raises the viral load, it increases all the different hosts trying to take up this body. When you have a strong mucosal layer, then the antibodies are working, the immune system is working, the microbiome is healthy, and that impacts not just the stomach and the gut and the colon, but the heart and the brain and the overall body. That's why this product is so instrumental and so helpful to so many people. A lot of people will talk to me about how their skin's better or their hair's better or their nails. Remember, the peptides are part of this, and our peptides are not like the injections. They're healthy for you. They're sequenced in a way where they're clean and they're helping support the overall body. I know peptides are a major thing for people right now, but we have branch change amino acids that we're using in a safe, effective way that won't harm the body. That's what's important about Root, that we continue to take products that are beneficial and not just the latest trend. I came up with the peptides before peptides were the latest trend. And I shouldn't say me, we did as a community, because I really look at each of you as warriors and health and wellness coaches helping everyone. You care about the products. It means something to you. You want the purest products that are out there. You understand that our products are not full of sugar. We have some in a few of the products only to mask part of the things, but I'm using natural sweeteners that are also productive for the body. In this particular product, I want it to go to the body, be bioavailable, be safe and efficacious, and it does not need sweeteners. It does not need additives. It does not need fillers. This is a product that's really helping the mucosal layer of the body, as well as targeting the immune system and the organs in the body so they work in a more productive way. The point is, you've got to fuel your recovery process that you're dealing with, because every day your body's recovering, because you go through a period throughout the day where you're losing peptides in the body, you're losing amino acids. We've got to go back and give that to people from the day you're born. I want to say this again. If you're 5 years old, you've been losing peptides. If you're 5 years old, you have had a lot of things in your body that need to be detoxified. From the day you're in your mother's womb, your body is getting all these heavy metals and toxins, and all of the things in your body are going to the baby. Our job is on this earth to really make sure we take care of our bodies and we support them. And Give Me Back My Youth was a name that I actually came up with. And if you want to know why, I think most people want their youth back. I think we know we're going to age, but we want to take care of each other while we age. God tells us that our bodies are a temple, and that means we have to take care of it. And this particular product is something that can really support your body in the detoxification process, in the recovery process, and in the overall body to really give the support it needs. Your body has different pathways. You have toxins in the body. You've got to give it the support. And this is a product that's helping support the body, not just in one area, but throughout the entire system that you have and that you need.